So let's get this straight. There was this Scythian Iranian tribe called the Saxons. Pliny wrote about the Sacassani, who had a similar sounding name to Saxon. Pliny and Strabo both wrote about some Scythian tribe called the Saxones, who derived their name from Saca-sunu. They were Asians who came to Northern Europe from Asia. Before that, they were in the Caspian regions and Armenia, and what is now Karabaugh. There are some similar words like father, mother, brother, daughter, paradise, and band. Therefore, Anglo Saxons and white people came from Iran. Because some random German dude named Mr. Keppel, who didn't know anything about genetics or comparative linguistics, said so. And this is where I end my dissertation. Thank you for watching.